Now, Michael, follow me. 1. Say 1, please. 1.
1.
Well done. Not too big. Small. 1.
1.
Thank you. Very good. 1.
1.
Okay. So he's doing 1 now. Now 2. 2 is a hop. 1, 2. Ready, go.
1, 2.
Well done. And then move your right foot backwards because you are moving backwards. Watch my right foot. 1, 2. Not 1, 2. 1, 2. Say, ready, go.
1, 2.
Well done. Okay, again. Go.
1, 2.
Well done. Okay, now, so he's doing the steps. 2, racket up vertically. Watch my hands. Watch me. 1, 2. 2 is ready. 3 is a hit. Before hit, the player must ready everything at 2. 1, 2, go.
1, 2.
Well done. You're too high, this one. Get ready, go.
1, 2.
Yeah, small. Yeah, a little bit. 1, too big. 1, 2. Small. 1, 2. Go.
1, 2.
Well done. Racket vertically set. Go.
1, 2.
Yes. Okay, fine. When I teach player new steps, I'm not going very detailed. I let them feel the steps first. Even that's not perfect, it's better feel the steps first and then training and develop slowly for the future. So now 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, okay, again. Don't worry. 1, 2, 3. Say 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Well done. Okay, one more. Eyes straight forward. Ready, go.
1, 2, 3.
Well done. Okay. 4 is a hit. Watch me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Well done. Okay. Now 4, wrist. Ready, go.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Well done. Very good. Now 5, 6 is walking. Watch me. You count for me. My step. Ready, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yes. Okay, ready. Count step. Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Well done. Very good. Now, when he's doing it, I do it like I'm hitting the shuttle. I'm giving the timing right now. Okay, ready? Come here. I'm hitting to you. Ready?
1,
Well done.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yes. Michael trained me for a little bit. That's why. But many players, when I'm hitting, they are doing 1 too early. Like this. Okay, Michael, you are coach. I'm learning from you. You serve to me. 1. This is wrong. 1 is wrong because too early. It should be like that. 1. Again, timing. 1. After opponent hit, I should do 1 after, not the same time. Ready? Okay, count to 7, please. Ready? Go.
1, 2, 3.
Oh yeah. Again. 7, 7. Ready? Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 6.
5, 6, 7. Ready. Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yes, one more. Go.
1.
1 is wrong. Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yes. Okay. Now he's doing it with the shuttlecocks. Okay. Now stay here, please. Okay, ready? Half court. Okay. The reason I'm asking him to stay half court is make it easier. Let's say he's playing singles. At the beginning, I'm not asking him to go to the center because it's harder to go diagonally. So make it easier. Okay, stay. Okay, Michael, please count a step. Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yes, again. Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. Michael, one is too loose. One, small, quick. Okay, and the counting small, quick too. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Again. Don't worry. Okay, come here. Okay. This is another important element for the coach. The player never done it before. He or she is trying to learn completely new skills. Most of them have unsureness, not sure if I can do it. Am I doing right? The most important thing for coach to do that player is giving them confidence. Believe you can do it. And you are doing very well. That kind of encouragement is number one element. Technique can be learned anytime. But if at this moment, if that player loses confidence, oh, I can't do it, this is too complicated, then that impression will stay for a long time. So let's say there are 10 or 15 elements he has to do. Let's say 10. He got the right 9 elements completely wrong. But he did one thing right. The coach must highlight it, that one thing he did right and make him do 2 things right and 3 things right gradually. So he made the mistakes. Then I say, no problem. Yeah, everybody is the same. Don't worry about it. Do it again. Yeah, give them comfort. Encourage. That is number one. And really mean it. Okay, don't do that by words. Really mean it. Yeah, because I really want him to do well. So I automatically, when he did well, oh, wow, that is very good. Yeah, well done.